Looking for a smart, affordable way to keep your favorite Anchor Hocking glass storage containers in top shape? The SnugFit replacement lids are exactly what you need. Designed to fit 4-cup containers perfectly, these BPA-free red lids seal tightly to lock in freshness, whether your meals are in the fridge, freezer, or microwave. If you've ever lost or cracked a lid, you know how frustrating it can be to replace an entire set. These lids give you a simple, cost-effective solution. I've been using Anchor Hocking glass containers for meal prep, and nothing beats their durability and convenience. But like many, I faced the challenge of lids cracking or going missing over time. At first, I tried plastic wrap, but it never sealed as well. When I saw the replacement lids, I hesitated because the price felt close to buying a new set. Still, buying a whole new collection would mean clutter and waste. So I gave these lids a shot, and they've held up impressively, sealing tight every time and saving me money and space. Plus, they're dishwasher safe and microwave friendly, so cleanup and reheating are hassle-free. What makes these lids stand out is their value and reliability. Anchor Hocking has been crafting glassware in the USA since 1905. Focusing on quality and innovation. Their SnugFit line is built to last, with lids that fit snugly and protect your food's flavor and freshness. They even offer a 5-year warranty on the glass containers, so you can trust you're investing in something durable. If you're ready to extend the life of your glass storage without breaking the bank, these replacement lids are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to keep your kitchen organized and your meals fresh.